What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got another video. You guys already know, dropping a video every Tuesday, every Friday. I usually drop educational videos, kind of like chart breakdowns, trades that I'm looking for the future. If it's not something educational, little sneak peeks of my strategy. It's a fire set and forget podcast. Stay tuned to this Friday's podcast. It's going to be my first episode of psychology. Every other episode has been straight entrepreneurs, just interviews. Now this is going to be very much different. It's just going to be strictly psychology. If you guys want to see part one, make sure to go check out the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is going to be very simple. What is better, MT4 or MT5? So I got this question asked a lot when I recently switched over to a new broker. At the time, the broker was only offering MT5, right? And I originally traded MT4. I personally actually never traded on MT5. But the broker, they were giving me, zero commission, raw spreads, and because I have an affiliation link in the link description below. You guys want to know more about the broker, the link is in the description. What they were offering me and my community, I was like, bro, I gotta take the deal. If I have to switch over to MT5, that's fine. What's the big deal? It can't really be that much of a difference. And it's actually not that much of a difference. In this video, I'm gonna actually be showing you guys the only differences that MT4 and MT5 have, which in my opinion are basically nothing. To kind of round it up, very simple. MT4 is, let's just say, a 2017 car. The MT5 is a 2022. It's just the newer version of the previous car. It's the same exact model, just looks a little bit cooler. So now I'm gonna pop up on the screen MT4, right? So we all know MT4. For those of you guys that didn't know, there was an MT3, MetaTrader 3. I bet a lot of you guys didn't know that. I didn't know that until I started digging and doing my own research on this. So what happened is when MT4 came out, MT3 went bust. So now supposedly MT4 is going to go bust and then MT5 is going to be the new one. Whatever the case is, it doesn't really matter because the broker that I use offers both, as the majority of the brokers should. So as you can tell here, this is MetaTrader 4. This is just kind of like a little, basic quote section. Then we obviously have the charts. This is trade. This is not my account size. I will not show my account size. This is just a leveled up account. You guys know Raul and I, we came up, we have founded and created Leveled Up Society, where we're literally funding traders, building literally a society of traders. So yes, I trade on my own funding company. So as you can tell, this is like just the basic MetaTrader 4. As you can tell, this is what everybody knows. So if we were to go to MT5 now, you guys can tell that it's a little bit different. So it looks a lot more modern. It looks a lot more, defined, cooler, if you guys want to get all technical, but it has the same concept. As you can tell, to the bottom left is still quotes, this one is still charts, this one is still trade, it's still history. This is just still all the same all around. So this is honestly, to me, just a much more modern version. As you can tell, the letters here are a lot cleaner than versus MT4. I believe that when it comes to MT5, I know you can adjust your stop loss and your take profit on your chart. That is not something that I have actually tried. I've had my students in the community, I think, tell me that they've done it, or I think that's C-Trader. I'm not entirely sure. Don't quote me on that. I've personally never done it. Just to keep a note. I will actually probably test it out later on tonight if I end up trading with the Signal group. But yeah, basically it's just a lot more cooler version. I personally don't see anything other different than that. If you were to choose versus MT4 or MT5, I would probably pick MT5, just because if the same concept happens that now MT4 kind of goes away and then it's only MT5. Versus how it was MT3 and now it's only MT4. I would start getting used to and comfortable with MT5, but it's really not a big difference. But yeah, that's pretty it. Very simple video. I just feel like I wanted to make a video of it. Maybe I come across any beginners that are kind of like still confused on their journey on exactly what to do. So I feel this video was helpful for you guys. So if there's any other things kind of in the Forex world that you guys are unsure of, whether it's like any other tools that you need and are essentials to trade, just drop a comment. This is what I do. Like, I trade Forex. This is like my life. Like, everything that I do revolves around Forex. So I'm pretty sure I know the ins and outs to everything. With that being said, make sure to watch the podcast this Friday, where I'm going to be hosting my first psychology webinar, which I think is going to be fire like nobody ever before. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.